Hello，我係 Ty。今日咧係多倫多1年1度嘅 Green Launch， 咁我就會喺呢個食物市嗰度周圍去睇下啦。咁亦都會幫一個朋友喺 Chinatown 嗰度，咁佢都有一個嘅活動喺嗰邊嘅。今年台街呢度咧係其中一個主要場口，因為咧追溯翻去到1950年代咧，其實呢度曾經嘅一場抗爭。話說當時咧就市政府要重建 City Hall， 咁就將呢個規模幾大嘅 Chinatown 咧就要有部分去拆卸。咁當時咧有好多人就企出嚟咧係進行咗一場嘅示威，去保衛呢一個嘅 Chinatown。咁所以今年有一個環節叫做 Reimagine Chinatown， 咁就係去用藝術嚟到去回應翻呢一段嘅歷史。
Tell you what a thrill it is for me to be here to talk to you about my mother, Jean Lum. Our family, we grew up in that house right on the corner where the streetcar stop is. And if my mother were alive today and she were here, she would say, wow. She would be just blown away.我估可能都係因為好多 sponsor 嘅問題，唔係好夠錢去做一啲大型嘅裝置。希望之後經濟好啲，會多去睇啲。